So like, it's not gonna work. We have to replace you. Just like, we want energy in our team. In this family, you need energy. No, I'm literally serious. Don't be scared. Like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but like, no. Chico, come here. Don't walk away. Come here. Come here. Look, no. You can't you can't try to prove your point. We want authenticity. And you're naturally you're just too like calm, you know? So we're gonna donate you. Okay? We're gonna donate you. It's okay. Don't even overthink it. It's not you, it's me. No, seriously. No, come here. Look. No. Just listen to me. So we've been having in mind. No. Sit. Look. No, like, we've been having in mind, like, we're trying to go more pitbull, you know? Like, more pitbull. We don't even know what breed you are. Like, who made you? What are you? Just explain to me. I was shopping around. I found you a nice family. Nice family. You don't like that? Kiko. We found you a nice family. Like, nice family. You can meet them. You can literally meet them. You don't like that? Seriously. Don't get angry. Come here. You're walking away. Like, I just need to know how you feel about how you feel. So that's the agreement, right? Alright. Come on, handshake. Handshake. Thank you. That's all I need. That's all I need from you. No, give me the handshake. Thank you. Now you can go now. It's done. It's over, Kiko. I'm sorry. Our time has to end. You know, it's the new year. We need new things. Just go. Bye. Bye. No more explaining. Just go. Just go. Go ahead.